Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a question from Liam in North Wilmington, Delaware. Liam writes in and gave us a very long question. I'm going to sum it up as follows. Are people sue happy? And the answer is, I don't really know if people are sue happy or not. I think that my experience may not be representative of all people's experience. And I'm certain that there are some people out there that would like to sue at the drop of a hat, but my experience has been that people are not sue happy, and people, generally speaking, are not looking to get involved in personal injury lawsuits or other types of lawsuits. My experience has been that it's more the situation that people come to an attorney, people call an attorney when they are having trouble handling things themselves. That is more the situation, generally speaking, than people go running to attorneys after an accident. My experience has been that a lot of people get in accidents and sustain injuries, and they don't really have any interest in going to a lawyer because, for whatever reason, maybe they're anxious about going to an attorney, maybe they don't want to get involved in the legal process, maybe they feel like they can deal with the friendly insurance adjuster by themselves. My observation doing personal injury law for the last 15 or almost 16 years now has been that what drives people to go to a personal injury lawyer is not the hope of getting a lot of money. What drives people, generally speaking, to go to a personal injury lawyer is that they try to handle things themselves, and they have so much trouble and so much difficulty dealing with the insurance claims representatives, or they have so much trouble and so much difficulty trying to just understand what essentially is a very complicated process in many cases, that drives them to seek out the assistance of an attorney. A lot of people that come to me in my office and the lawyers in my office after a personal injury accident, after a car accident, or a slip and fall with personal injuries, what drives people to come to us is their medical bills are not getting paid by their insurance company, and they can't figure out how to coordinate the insurance coverage to get their doctor paid or their physical therapist paid. Something that drives people to lawyers after a personal injury accident, after a car accident, or things like their car is not being fixed, or the tow company has a big tow bill and it's not being paid, or they're being put into collections because they can't afford to pay for some damage after the accident and they need their insurance company to pay it, but their insurance company's not paying it. And so they're at risk of having a bad credit report, they're at risk of being sued because bills aren't being paid after the accident. That's what drives people to a personal injury lawyer, not, generally speaking, not the idea that they're looking for some big payday. So Liam, I hope that answers your question. The question was a little more detailed and a little more opinionated than that. I hope you don't mind me summing up your opinion about lawyers and personal injury claimants and personal injury plaintiffs, but essentially that was your question, and I hope you appreciate my answer. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, feel free to send them to me on ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. That's my email address. Anything you ask, I may modify it a little bit to make it palatable for our video blog, but essentially I think anything you ask, I will answer. Thanks for watching.